Hello everyone. Welcome to Titan Turtles Club. This is Xinle. In this session, we'll continue the hide series. Today, we'll talk about how to really hide a message in a Linux file. So let's go to a virtual Linux systems. So normally we can hide a message from a cat command we just mentioned from the other video. Sometimes we use a steganography to hide messages inside a media file, such as an audio file or a picture file or a movie file. Okay, so today we'll talk about how to really hide the message inside a file block. Assume we already have a Linux environment. What I'm using right now is a Ubuntu 22 virtual machine on my Mac machine. All right, so let's open the terminal first and make it bigger. Make the size bigger. So let's create a file first, y message.txt, and we can input Titan Turtles is a great club. All right, so let's save it, and if we cat it, message.txt, yeah, Titan Turtles is a great club. All right, so let's take a look at how we can hide some message inside this file. So if we take a look at the stat of the file stat message.txt, we can see that the file size is just 30 bytes, but the IO block is 4096. So basically, we are using 4K bytes of the size to store just 30 bytes of data. So assume you can imagine there are a lot of spaces is not used, so we can actually utilize that space to hide some message inside. So what do we do first? So first, before we start, we need to know which partition we are actually in. So let's do clear sudo ls blk -o and name files system type size mount point and label. Yeah, this will give us the information of the file system I have. So as you can see, we have a lot of partitions. A lot of them are just loops. And so here we have something very interesting, which is the SDA2, and with the partition is extension 4, and it has a 79.5 gigabytes of size, and it mounted into slash. So this is where we actually put majority of our files in. So let's figure out uh, which block is our file. Okay, so let's do sudo debug fs dash capital R and quote blocks slash home slash turtle slash, and over here we need to use the absolute uh, path, so which is slash home slash turtle and slash message dot txt and quote unquote and slash device sda2 and hit enter. So this 19389210, this is the block number of this file. And so let's take a look at what's actually this inside that file. So it's a, let's do sudo dd if equals to dev sda2 block size 4K and skip the block size. The block number is 19389210 and count equals to 1 and pipe to less. Okay, as you can see that the first line is the Titan Turtles is a great club. the rest of the block it really has a value, but it doesn't mean anything to us. All right, so we already know what's inside it. And so what we can actually do is we can directly edit the block. So echo, um, so Titan Turtles is a great club, right? And the secret is to work hard and have fun. Okay, and we'll echo it into sudo dd of equals to slash div sda2, and the block size is again 4K, and the seek the block number is 19389210. Count equals to 1, just one block. Conf no trunk. All right, hit enter. All right, so one records in, one records out, and 71 bytes copied. And now we can take a look at um, what's inside that file, and we can use the up key to rerun the same command from previously. So, okay, as you can see, the actual message is Titan Turtles is a great club. The secret is to work hard and have fun, right? And but if we cat the message.txt, yeah, Titan Turtles is a great club, not the secret part. And the stat is of that file. Still, size is 30, block size is 4096 bytes. And if we take a look at this, like the hexadecimal version of the whole file, we can use od-c to see it. It's still only displaying the Titan Turtles is a great club, not the secret part. All right, so essentially we are hiding this secret part inside the file block. The reason we can do it because we tell the system the file size is only 30 bytes, and after reading the first 30 bytes of the file block, the system will stop, continue to read. And the rest, although we saved something there, but we can't actually see it. All right, so this is how to hide a message inside the file block. Thank you so much, and this is Titan Turtles Club, and my name is Xinle.